Hi my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So today's makeup look is going to be on this beautiful warm neutral makeup look. As you can see, I have paired it up with a beautiful glossy lips and sharp eyeliner with simple lashes, making the entire look just amazing altogether. It is such an effortless look and it looks so flawless without making your face look cakey. It makes your skin look like skin, and I just love the way it has turned out. Without further ado, let's dig right into the tutorial. First thing first, I like to put some priming oil, and this is by Pixi Cosmetics. It is enriched with vitamin C. You can wear this oil prior to putting on makeup or even just going out, or like a moisturizing oil. Next, I'm applying this vitamin C enriched color corrector by Pixi Cosmetics. Again, this is like something you can wear it under the makeup or even on a day-to-day basis, just like a moisturizer. Now it does have a long-lasting effect to cure your pigmentations. So it does take off like the dark pigmentation and makes it lighter and lighter over the time. At the same time, if you want to use it like a makeup underneath the makeup, then you can definitely go ahead and use it like a color corrector, but it definitely has a long-term lasting effect. For my tinted moisturizer, I'm using my favorite Halo by Smashbox Cosmetics in shade medium tan. Now the reason why I absolutely love this tinted moisturizer, I actually have a review which I haven't uploaded yet, but I want you guys to see that review as well, because this tinted moisturizer is so beautiful. When I'm going to work or school, I usually like just put this and apply it using my fingertips, but for this makeup look, I'm going to apply it with a beauty blender. And if you notice, like the foundation or the tinted moisturizer is blending on my face like a butter and almost like a cream, leaving behind a really nice glossy skin. Once that's done, I'm going to be using L'Oreal True Match Concealer, and I'm using 4W, which is their warm shade. And again, I don't want to apply too much concealer because today's makeup look is supposed to be very soothing and very warm and beautiful skin-like texture. And as you can see, the concealer shade is very close to my skin color, nothing too brightening, so it's very calming on the eyes and it's blending out perfectly by bringing a little bit lift to my highlighted zone, but not too much. And using the damp beauty blender, I'm just blending it all the way. Next, I'm going to be using MAC Mineralized Powder. Now, as you guys know, MAC Mineralized Powder is very fine powder and it has a very fine finish to it. I like to usually apply that right underneath my eyes, around my laugh lines, because it is the perfect powder that sits right in between those fine lines, setting those in completely so it doesn't move around. Next, for baking, I'm going to be using my Charlotte Tilbury's Magic Powder. I believe this is in the shade light to medium. And I'm just basically baking it away by applying a little bit more powder than the one before I've used, which is the MAC Mineralized. Next, I'm using my Give Me Sun by MAC Cosmetics. This is the bronzer, but I'm going to be using it as a bronzer plus contour. It already has a little bit of nice warm tone to it, so it just adds the entire look together so perfectly. Next, for some nose contour, I'm going to be using my Kat Von D's contouring palette, and I'm using the medium shade, which is the one right in the middle of the 3 contouring shades. And using an angular brush, I'm carefully carving out the sides of my nose. Then I'm taking that yellow powder and I'm placing it right on the bridge of my nose and also highlighting underneath my eyes a little bit more so it looks a little bit more brightened up. Powder doesn't make so much of a difference, and even if it does right away, over the time it kind of fades away, so it's absolutely fine to go overboard with the powder a little bit because you're gonna oxidize and all that, it's gonna just melt. And at the same time, when you put this makeup setting spray, it all comes in together and nothing stays too bright or too dark. Next, for my brows, I'm going to be using Goof Proof by Benefit Cosmetics, and it is in the shade 04. I always like to do the base of my eyebrows first, and then I like to work on the inner part of it, creating little hair-like strokes. Then I like to work on the archway, and lastly I like to work on the remaining of my brows. And that's done. Moving on to next, I'm going to be using 3D Brow Tone, also by Benefit Cosmetics. This is just going to help my brows stay in place and also spread the color evenly. Next, I'm going to be using my Blowing Concealer in shade 04 to create a nice base for my eyeshadows. Taking my Makeup by Mario Matte Palette, this is going to be the first color I'm going to set my entire eyes with, both lid and the crease. Then next, taking this beautiful brownish shade, I'm going to dab it all over my crease. Taking some more of that brown color, I'm going to apply some more eyeshadow around my crease again. Now I'm going to apply that to blend out the edges so everything looks seemingly blended. Now taking this nice vanilla-ish kind of shade, I'm going to dab that all over my lid. Now taking this kind of like a white shade, I'm going to put it on my inner corners of my eyes. Just making sure it looks all popped. So for my blush and highlighter, it's going to be this limited edition palette by MAC Cosmetics, and I'm also going to take the highlighter and first pop it on my inner corners just to make it look a little more shimmery than just matte. And I'm going to take the same shade on my eyebrows. Sorry, brow bone, not eyebrows. Then I'm going to take that blush from that same palette and I'm just going to apply it all over my cheeks. I like how the color is so warm and peachy and beautiful. For my lipstick, the first one I'm going to be using, this is the lip liner in shade 58. I believe so. I'm gonna double check for you guys because I'm not too sure at the moment. But for my lipstick, I'm gonna be using Pillow Talk by Charlotte Tilbury, and then I'm gonna top it up with some lip oil. This is by Iconic London, and it is in the shade Sugar Mama. Now it's time for some bold eyeliner. This whole look is so dependent on this whole entire eyeliner look. For that, I've used my creamy gel eyeliner by L'Oreal, and I believe this is my first or second time using it, but this is my first time I've actually bought a gel eyeliner from a drugstore. But honestly speaking, like, it's actually so good. I have actually worked, I actually uploaded another video just I think last week with using this L'Oreal eyeliner, the gel eyeliner look. Honestly guys, it's one of my favorite right now. I have been hooked onto the Inglot gel eyeliner for the longest time, so this is my first time trying something different other than MAC Cosmetics, because I wasn't a big fan of the MAC eyeliner, so I moved on to the Inglot gel eyeliner, and now recently I've been so hooked onto this L'Oreal eyeliner. I do have a Makeup by Mario eyeliner as well. I don't know why I didn't use it for this tutorial, but anyhow, this eyeliner was a bomb. I loved it. And the brush that I'm using is the brush that comes with the eyeliner, so it was just like perfect. Like, it was a perfect duo, and the price point is so good. For my lashes, I'm using mascara by Maybelline. This is the Snap Mascara. And then for my lashes, I'm using these lashes that I got from wholesale store. These lashes are nothing special. They're very, very natural looking lashes. Once I've popped them on, once I'm done with my lashes, I'm gonna go wear my contact lenses. For today's contact lenses, I've used Daisy Brown by TTDI contact lenses. I'm gonna link their website down below in the description box. And right now I'm not wearing any contact lenses, but this is what it looks without the contact lenses, and soon you will see me with the contact lenses. And this is what with the contact lenses. As you can see, I love these contact lenses because it's brown, so it doesn't have like a dramatic color to it. It's very, very, very natural. So this whole makeup was so hooked onto this entire natural, warm, neutral tone, and I love the way it has turned out. I paired it up with some jewelries here and there and a white top, and I think it just turned out so good. Let me know in the comments, guys, how you liked this makeup look, and if you guys happen to recreate this look, please don't forget to tag me at Makeup by Azmeree on Instagram. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Till then, I'll see you next time on my next video. Till then, take care.